Want some like ideas for?
Gosh, can you see the?
No, I can't tell where I am.
Yeah, watch your phone. Oh, come on.
You see more selfies.
Tip the little
That's what happens when you break a heart.
Oh!
What is that?
Fuck! Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Check that shit! Oh my eyes! Oh my god! Oh look at that lump of fucking shit! Oh! I can't.
That's so. Oh, I'm so glad you got that film. That was huge.
Fuck you!
Oh my god, it's still flaming.
Fuck you! Look at that lump of metal in the middle.
That's metal burning. That is so cool.
Life is old to you, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh.
Boring.
Oh my! I can't even look at it. Look, you see the.
Hey, where's that pen?
Stinks of shit.
It's down the floor there.
What's this?
What's a pen? Good pen.
Just destroyed plastic.
I'm holding it in my left hand.
Is this a good pen, Pierre?
There's a
When you say good pen, Pierre?
Oh no.
Oh, go on, yeah, stick his pen in. Go on, stick his pen in.
Peter, I'm blaming his spot.
Just now slowly.
You may as well.
Use the other end.
Go, go, go.
It's gonna be hot now, man.
Go on, stick it in.
Sam,
Yeah?
what was your headphones on?
Oh, it's
Oh.
awesome. That is awesome. It's molten.
Just push it, push harder.
Push! Yeah, I won't go any further. Don't push too hard, else your arm's gonna end up.
Ah! See that shit sinking in?
It's not even.
Oh, don't put my fucking phone. Ah!
Keep pushing.
Yeah, stick that fucker in.
Look at it.
You just before just put it before it hardens.
It's hardened, by the way.
I just stick it right in there.
The corner of
Doesn't it?
No, we need that for mixing.
Yeah,
I know, only in the corner.
you need that for the train. Ah! I'll give me. Ah, my knees are fucked. Right, can I have a pen? Give. Right. Okay. Oh fuck yeah, dickhead. Ah. Oh, it's sinking in.
Daniel's getting pleasure from it.
Ah.
Yeah, that chance we could push Daniel in the down, jerking off later.
Oh my
god, could we get some... Get some of that pen since we need it for mixing.
No, do we? Right, yeah, I'm just gonna stop it now.
Right, we'll boot this rock over into the